Today, my guest is one of the renowned naturopathy doctor, Dr. Navraj Bhatta. He has completed Bachelor of Naturopathy and Yogic Science and master degree in acupuncture and herbal medicine. He has been working with One Spa World based in New York for more than 10 years. For his medical practice, he has traveled more than 40 countries around the world. Including this, he is the director of Hills International in Dehradun, India. Let's welcome Dr. Navraj Bhatta. Dr. Navraj, welcome to our program.
Thank you, Madan.
Can you please share us how can we detoxify our body?
Detoxification is to take the toxins out from the system. Since I am a yogic science expert and naturopath, I will talk more about the yoga. In yoga, we have different practices. There are two main practices. One is called external practice of yoga, and the other is called internal practice of yoga. External practice of yoga is asanas, the physical postures, and then pranayamas, the breathing techniques. So any asanas which gives you stretching benefit in the body will detoxify the body system. Now, when we are talking about detoxification, the liver, kidney, stomach, and spleen, these are the main organs which needs to be purified. So we have different practices in yoga which will help you to stimulate and then improve your metabolism. So these specific practices will help you to detoxify the system.
How our body get poisoned?
There are two ways. One is through the food and the other is through the mind. Stress and then the food habits as the main source of toxification of the body. Other than that, of course, the lifestyle, the way we are living, the time when we sleep, the way we are eating, the way we are sleeping. So there are different lifestyle techniques which also has impact on your toxifying the body.
Is there any specific yoga position that we can do to detoxify our body easily?
Of course. In yoga, I will focus more on breathing techniques because when you are sitting, you can just breathe out forcefully and take your abdominal organs in. That is called Kapalabhati pranayam. So one of the easiest breathing technique will help you to detoxify is that Kapalabhati. And water drinking. So you have to make sure that you drink more water because your body, when it detoxifies, it needs to be cleaned up. So before practicing and after practicing, you need to drink good amount of water and then do a Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati is the breathing techniques to stimulate your entire abdominal organs. I give you the example is lying down position, Dhanurasana, where you stretch your body from backward, holding your ankle through your hands. And then when you come for standing, you do Ardha Kati Chakrasana. When you go for sitting, you do Ardha Machendrasana. These are the three main asanas which has detoxifying effect on your body.
Can you demonstrate the yoga position you told at first, this Kapalabhati? Can you just simply show how can we do it?
All right. See, in Kapalabhati, what you do is you breathe out. Suppose when I'm breathing out, I have to take my abdominal muscles in. So forceful breathing out. So when you are breathing out, what you are supposed to do is to pull your abdominal muscles in. So that way we are activating all the organs which are representing to detoxify your body, like liver. Liver is on the right side of the abdomen. Then you have stomach, and then you have kidneys. So these all internal organs and the enzymes which are releasing through your pancreas, your gallbladder, all these internal organs are getting activated. So once physiologically these organs are active, then your body will help you to detoxify the system.
When can we do that yoga? Anytime or after food or before food in the morning? Is there any specific time to do that yoga?
Has to be done in an empty stomach. If you have already taken any heavy meal, then it has to be 3 hours after eating the food. So early morning is the best time, but you can do even in the evening before having your dinner or after having your heavy meal 3 hours after having the meals.
Where can we do? Anywhere or in a specific place?
It is better to do in a place where you get a fresh air because you are doing a breathing technique. So you need to have oxygens which is freshly available. Open the
Is,
window or go to the terrace, or if it is available on the open area is better.
and when we are detoxifying our body, what about the food we need to eat? What kind of food?
The most important part is to drink a lot of water because water is the natural way your body gets clean once the toxins are out from the system. At the same time, try to avoid which are fried, which are processed, which are more preserved food. And then also we say that don't take too much of heavy proteins which are based on non-vegetarian food.
Yeah, go ahead.
Boiled food, vegetables, soups, drinking a lot of water, and any juices are the best way to support detoxification in the body.
Can meditation also support to detoxify our body?
Yes, as I mentioned you in the beginning of our conversations, asanas and pranayamas, the physical postures and the breathing technique will detoxify your body. At the same time, concentration and meditations, which we call dharana and dhyana, will detoxify your mind part because stress and your body detoxification is also very important, that it is correlation between your mind and the body. So when we're doing meditations, meditation means just to be aware of what is going on in your body. First part of meditation we call dharana, where you just sit after practicing your asana and pranayamas and observe the sensation, what is happening in your body. So that is the concentration part. After that, the way it helps you to calm down the mind is a meditations. So as you go through deep into meditations, we are in touch with that source of energy which we are. So that source of energy is the basis of prana. The life force will help you to support purifications of your body and mind.
Is there any other way to detoxify our body beside doing yoga posture and meditation?
There are different technique treatment parts. Since I'm a naturopath doctor, so I have studied there are different treatment to clean your colon, to clean your liver. There are different herbal medicine which will help you to detoxify your body. So that has to be done under supervised doctors to take certain kind of medicine, certain kind of natural herbs, certain kind of those treatments. Like you go for mud therapy. So we wrap our body with the mud, and then you take certain herbal preparations in Ayurvedic technique. So treatment part has to be done with the supervision of doctor.
Which treatment method is the easiest one and best for us?
Since we are talking more on yoga, there is a technique called Sankha Prakshalan, where you drink a lot of water and do a certain the postures, and then that water, what you drink, will come out through your colon. So that is the best way to detoxify your body, which we call Sankha Prakshalan. That is one way to detoxify your body. When you go to the naturopathic treatments, we talk about enema, where you insert the water through your colon from downwards. And then we talk about mud therapy. So keeping certain quality of mud in your abdomen also will help you to detoxify. Go to the Ayurvedic technique. Ayurvedic physician will give you certain herbal preparations to drink. And then, of course, there are different techniques in panchakarmas that will help you to detoxify your body.
You told about mud therapy, anemia. Can we do these therapies by ourselves, or we need to be with doctor's supervision?
It is better to do with supervision of doctor because during detoxification, there might be any kind of complication may come in your body. Suppose you may feel diarrhea, you may feel a little bit of headache, you may feel some kind of uneasiness when your body is cleaning the toxins through your system. So it is always better to be with supervised doctor. Otherwise, simple techniques, as I said you about mud therapy, is to keep the quality of mud in your abdomen. Suppose you feel very heaviness, you can do by yourself also. But internal therapy, like taking certain kind of medications and doing sankha prakshalan in yoga, where you drink water and do certain twisting movements and then go to the bathroom, has to be done with the supervised doctor, because you need to know what to eat after that and what to do if you get complications when you are going through detoxification.
How often do we need to detoxify our body? Is it required to do every day, or we can do it sometime?
It is like this. If you want to detoxify your whole system, internal detoxification, you can do once in 6 months. You should not do more than that, because it is a deep cleansing process. So that has to be done once in a 6 month with supervised doctor. But external detoxification techniques, like as I mentioned about Kapalabhati Kriyas, you can do every day, even twice a day you can do it. Certain breathing techniques, meditation, drinking water, drinking certain kind of herbal preparations can be done every day.
Okay, thank you so much giving so many ideas, and it's really a great opportunity for us to learn from you. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time too.
Thank you, Madan. We'll see you again. Thank you.